Hey everybody, how's it going? Thiago here, and welcome to another episode of the podcast. No, this is not a podcast episode. As you can see, I am in a much more minimalistic setup today. And the reason I'm making this video today is because I just got this in the mail today. This is from YouTube. Yeah, so I think you guys know what's inside here. I've got my trusted pair of scissors. We're going to be opening this box pretty soon. So yeah, this came in today from YouTube, and it's really cool, guys. As you can see here, there were actually some stickers here from the postal service. I tried to take them out, but I kind of messed it up. But what you're gonna do, right? So we're gonna open here today. This is the new silver play button that YouTube is handing out to creators nowadays. This is the new version, if I'm not mistaken, that they started giving out to creators since August 2024, August this year, okay? So let's see what's inside. Are you ready? This is a unboxing video, so let's get started here. Ooh, I'm so excited, guys. Let's see. Can you see it? I'm cutting. You see? There you go. I can't even talk anymore because I'm so excited, guys. My English is failing me right now. Excuse me. Let's see here. We have another little thingy here. Come on, man. Okay. And then you might be asking right now, Thiago, didn't you learn how to use a pair of scissors at school? Apparently not, guys. I think I got it. Yeah, we got it. All right. So, moment of truth. Let's see what YouTube has sent today. So, ooh, take a look, guys. Can you see it? See? Right there? Mysterious, a black box, right? And here we have a little foam, to protect whatever's inside. And here it is. Take a look. This is a ladder. We got a ladder here. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the light. It's too bright, but this is a ladder from YouTube. So here we have a little card. All right, you can't see it, but this is what it says. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Probably Rick is the guy that packages all this stuff. Thank you, Rick. Appreciate that. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, okay, this is not the case. Yeah, so I think it came in correctly as it was supposed to. And here we have a little letter. I don't know if you guys can see it. Take a look. Right here. See? This is a letter from YouTube. And, I think it's fitting for me to read it, right? So here's what the letter says. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th subscriber, or your 1,000th subscriber? Lots of THs there. Chances are you do. And we know that you will definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community. And we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan. I believe Neil is the current YouTube CEO. So there it is, guys. This is the letter that YouTube sends to us. I don't know, maybe here you can see it better. Yeah, the light is really bright. But now, the moment of truth, we actually have the silver play button. I'm going to show it to you guys here. Take a look. Right here. Can you see it? Yeah, is it better? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, gotta be careful with the brightness. Right here, looks pretty, pretty, pretty. And, whoa, look at that. There it is. Yeah. So here's the back, you know. Let's remove this plastic. Wow, nice. I can even see myself here, you know, it's kind of a mirror. You know, this play button is a mirror. So let me see if you can see it better without the brightness right here. Take a look. Really cool, guys. It says here, presented to English with Thiago for passing 100,000 subscribers. Very nice. It's really pretty. Yeah, really pretty. This is the new version YouTube started sending out in August 2024. This is a smaller version. If you maybe have seen other creators here on YouTube with larger plaques or larger silver plate buttons, but this is the new version, but still very elegant, you know? And well, I appreciate YouTube for sending this little treat, you know, this little award. That was very nice. And most importantly, I want to thank you guys. Yeah, because you made it possible. Yeah. You know, it's crazy. I've had this channel for many years, you know, and I was always posting on and off on this channel. But then this year in March 2024, I decided to come back to the channel and try to, you know, start posting again. And it's crazy because in March this year, the channel had 1,000 subscribers. And a little over 7 months later, it reached 100,000 subscribers. I wasn't expecting that the channel was gonna get to 100,000 subscribers so quickly. So thank you all for supporting the channel, for tuning in every week, for following the show, leaving your comments, interacting with the videos here, sharing with your contacts. And this is just the beginning. You know, there's still a lot of content, a lot of videos that I want to make here for you guys to help you in your English learning journey. And to close this video, I want to ask you to help me out with types of content you would like to see more here on the channel. This is a new phase, a new stage, a new chapter the channel is getting into now. You know, at 100,000 subscribers. You know, guys, I was reading some statistics about YouTube, and apparently, out of all YouTube channels in the world, less than 1%, I think it was 0.6 or 0.7%, actually have more than 100,000 subscribers. So this is crazy to think about that, you know? So the channel now will be entering a new era, and I would like your help in making this channel even more productive, more useful for you and your English learning journey. So what I ask you is to leave me a comment here under this video suggesting content, topics that you would like to see more here on the channel. You could suggest topics or types of content. Maybe there's a certain type of content that you would like to see more here on the channel. Leave me your suggestions here because I will take your suggestions into consideration now that I will be defining the content strategy for this channel moving forward. Okay. But anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video here to share this moment with you and show you this silver play button. Thank you all for the support, and well, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. like this video, share this video with a friend or family member, and I'll be talking to you very soon in the upcoming podcast episode. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.